Yama, a strong mob is a healthy mob. As a doctor, I look after my patients and community so they can look after their family and community as well. This leads to a stronger mob for all of us. Being healthy means being connected to our people and our land. It means having good friends and family around us, and it also means making sure that we are all right and that we have no problems that could turn into bigger problems if left untreated. Having our health check is about making sure we are okay and helping our mob to stay well. The health check has been created by our people, for our people. Koori doctors, nurses and community members have worked together to come up with a program that is designed to make our people stronger and to help understand us as individuals and as a population. I know that some of our mob are a bit worried about going to see the doctor, as it might mean that something is wrong or that some of your personal business might be shared. That's not what the health check is about. It's about making sure that we are getting everything we need to be well. And anything that gets discussed between us and the health professional stays between us and them. So what happens in a health check? Well, it can take around 40 minutes to an hour, and you'll yarn with a nurse or health worker who will ask some questions about your health, and then you'll see a doctor like me. Sometimes it might just be a doctor. It all depends on the clinic you go to. You might talk about anything that is worrying you, or if you are worried about anyone in your family. You might be asked to do a few tests like a blood pressure test or checking your height and weight. We may check your blood sugar level so that we can make sure we do everything to avoid diabetes. Sometimes we might ask for a wee sample or take blood for testing. These tests are all completely normal and will help us make sure we as health workers are giving you the best health advice. At the end of the appointment, there might be a few things that your doctor or healthcare worker might recommend for you. Things like looking after your heart, your hearing, your diet, keeping yourself active, and really importantly, connecting with your social and emotional well-being. The health check is available for you, so you can be the deadliest you can be, and it doesn't cost you anything. You can have a health check at any doctor's clinic. The health check is all about helping you, our families, and our community to stay strong and healthy. There's plenty of support out there for our mob, but if you don't check in, it's pretty hard for doctors like me to help. We are a strong community, our mob is who we are, we look after our people by being together, by celebrating together, and by supporting each other. It's pretty hard to do that well if you're not well yourself. Look after your mob by looking after yourself. Get your health check every year.